Okay, good to be here. Briefly about Infogram, it is world's largest infographics creator currently. Last week we celebrated 500,000 infographics made by users. And we started last year. In February, we got some recognition by the industry. We are top consumer data tool by San Francisco-based Developer Week, and a variety of others. And we're here to present a tool which is based on Infogram technology. It's completely new. So it's video infographics. And briefly about what videos are, there's easy to share things because they're packed together, and you usually have just a link to share. It's really simple. It's supported on every device out there. It's naturally engaging because it's visual. It's something that.
Sorry, let's change the mic. Sorry, we have
Okay. Videos are something really natural to look at. It's not reading, it's not listening. It's really a natural thing to do, and it's really viral. So what about video infographics? Those bring a high amount of traffic. It is super expensive to do, super complex to do, and involves a team. So you can't hire simply one designer. You need to hire an agency to do that. There's a sound, there is animations, the information design, a lot of that. It takes about a week at least. And thank you for this. And it costs quite a lot of money. So those of you familiar with how Infogram works, it's a drag and drop interface. You drag around objects and you arrange them and you press publish. You get a JavaScript embed code you place on the website. That is done in 2 minutes. It's super simple. In fact, we revolutionized the infographics creation industry. We lowered the cost from approximately €1,000 to free, and the production time from at least 8 hours to about 2 minutes. And we've been quite successful. We're currently the market leader in doing that. Now, we work with the best designers to make that, and we know how to use the technology. So imagining an Infogram interface with a drag and drop thing, with a timeline below it, with transitions. So pretty much you arrange the objects, you pick the transition form, and each object has its own load and load in, load out animation. And you combine those objects, you choose transitions, you click done, and you get HD video. You double click on a chart, you can customize it. It's really super simple to do. And pretty much it is a web-based tool which is then placed into a platform which transforms it into 2D or 3D animation. What can be used at? It's online media. It takes like ads, engagement, time spent on site. It could be used in television. We know how to import that in the TV formats. It could revolutionize the way students work in the classrooms. It's super viral, so it has really good things for the marketing. And for the enterprise, we will have APIs so you can generate those automatically. Imagine, for example, Vodafone with a couple of hundreds of million subscribers sending each and every one of them a customized video infographic. That would be pretty cool. So that's it.
Great, perfect. Perfect timing, thank you. Let me see if this mic works.
This one
Yeah.
does.
Yes, now it works. So 2 questions. So you guys have venture capital in, right? You got some VC funding, is that correct? So why are you trying to raise Uutislaivia funding? The second question is, what would be your contribution to the Finnish journalism and to Finland?
Right, I think there are 2 questions. So the first one is we raised €150,000 from Hack Forward for doing Infogram as it is. That money does not cover mostly the development of videos, so we cannot do that with existing funding. Also, we would contribute on knowledge, time, and as far as the current thing supports the video, that would be contributed from that side, but it doesn't cover approximately 5-6 people needed to be hired these days. What would be contributed to the Finland is, well, as you might have heard, we are alumni out of Sauna, so I've lived here for a while. Feel really much like home. And I think we got a lot of friends here. Helsinki Sanomat using Infogram from time to time. We've been used by a variety of people here. Once I think Finland was about in the top 5 user like countries. So we would use our network here. Potentially, I have to use Helsinki Sanomat and Aalto University and a network around Aalto Entrepreneurship Society instead of Sauna. That could be the entry point for the Finnish market.
And if you were chosen to become Uutisrabe finalist, what would you guys do the first thing?
You mean for the period till?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, we would build a prototype showcasing that we could actually create videos.
Any other questions, comments? If not, thank you.
Thank you.